Welcome to the JAD ROCH Index.
JAD, this token says buying is easy, profits are enormous, and selling is unavailable.
That is not a feature. That is a financial trapdoor.
A Honeypot token is designed so people can buy it, but ordinary holders cannot sell it normally.
Your money checks in. The checkout desk mysteriously disappears.
If selling is blocked, fewer sell orders appear. That can make the price chart look stronger than reality. Of course, nobody is selling. The exit door is painted on the wall. The contract may block selected wallets, demand extreme selling fees, or reserve special permissions for the creator.
One door for the owner. Decorative doors for everybody else.
Imagine buying $100 of a token. Your wallet shows a profit, but every selling attempt fails.
Congratulations, you are digitally rich and practically trapped.
Before buying, investigate the contract, selling rules, ownership powers, declivity, transaction taxes, and independent security findings. And test suspicious sweetness with a tiny spoon, not your entire wallet. A rising price means little if holders cannot exit. Always understand how selling works before risking funds. If you can enter but cannot leave, you did not buy a token. You joined the furniture.
Well, this is the part where I leave. I'm not paid for overtime, you know. Subscribe and goodbye.